Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade and it's so very nice of you to join us today. Now, if you're here for the first time, hi and welcome to Circle Time. Alright, we normally start our Circle Time by singing our good morning song. So, can you sing the good morning song with me, friends? Alright, let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning. It's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning. It's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, who can guess what day it is today? Yes, Friday is our day today. And we are in the month of June. Let's say the days of the week and the months of the year. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, let's find out about the weather. But before we do that, we need to sing our weather song. So let's sing together. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Well, now we can look out our windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, take a good look. Yes, my friends, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day today. Well, can we spell the word sunny? What do you think the first letter in sunny is? Yes, S. S for sunny. S-U-N is sun. So sunny, we add an N and a Y and we get sunny. It's a sunny day today. Great job, everyone. Now let's find out what our shape of the day is. Our shape of the day today is a circle. Can you draw a little circle with your hand? Good job. And our color of the day today is yellow. Can you believe it? Yellow, just like our bright, sunny day. Yes, our sun in the sky. Now, let's talk about our number of the day. Our number of the day today is the number 7. Well, what can we do to count to 7? Well, maybe we can clap and count to 7. Are you ready? Get those clapping hands ready and let's count to 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yay! We did a good job. We clapped and counted to 7. Now let's find out about our letter of the day. Our letter of the day today is the letter that comes after Q in the alphabet. What comes after Q in the alphabet, guys? Let's say the alphabet and find out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q. What's next? R. Yes, R is our letter of the day today. Can you think of some words that start with R? Run. Yes. Race, if you're racing your friend. Roar, like lions do. Yes, there are lots of words that start with R, right? Yes, and actually, the letter of the day brings us to our area of the day. Our area of the day or country of the day today is Rome. Rome is the capital of Italy. Italy is a really large country and there are lots of historic sites to visit like the Colosseum and lots of other places. Take a look at the awesome sights you can see in Rome. Alright my friends, now it's time for our lesson of the day. Our lesson for today is talking about our favorite recipes. So I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, which is pizza. Don't we all love pizza? Well, take a look at this recipe. Now you can take a look at this recipe and write it down or draw it out, or you can even try and create this recipe. So I hope you enjoyed this activity for today and our flashback at our lovely pizza recipe. What ingredients do you like on your pizza? Next, you're gonna bake the pizza in the oven, of course. Ooh, our pizza looks yummy, yummy, yummy. And then you're gonna serve it and enjoy. Thanks so much for joining me, my friends, today. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.